Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a special chicken burger recipe for you all. You all have been asking me for a delicious chicken burger and I have it for you today. So sit back and relax. Let me show you how easy this one is to put together. So to start this recipe, in a skillet I'm adding in some oil. My skillet is on a medium heat and I'm going to go in with onions finely chopped, pimento peppers finely chopped, celery finely chopped, scallions finely chopped. In Trinidad we call scallions a scythe. Next goes in some finely grated carrots and I'm just going to give that a mix. I also went in with some garlic, which the camera missed, so that would be listed in the ingredients in the description box. Season with salt and black pepper and give that a good mix. You're going to cook this until the vegetables are tender, and once tender, go ahead and set it aside and allow it to cool down. To my mincemeat, I'm going to be seasoning it with some Caribbean Flavors citrus blend seasoning. This is really amazing in this, guys. Next, season with salt, and you can put as much or as little salt as your diet requires. Black pepper and some all-purpose seasoning salt. Place your sauteed aromatics and start mixing to combine. Don't over mix, guys. You just want to mix it so that it's well distributed, and once it's been distributed, we're going to go ahead and make our burgers. So I'm using a 3-inch ice cream scoop. So in this way we'll get an even amount and all of the patties will be the same size. All you have to do is form it in the palm of your hand, and when you're forming your patties, always form the center of the patty a little thinner, because as it cooks it plumps up, and you would want to make sure that it's cooked evenly. So I'm doing this on my charcoal grill. You can do this in a frying pan or a grill pan on your stove, or if you have an electric grill, that works great too. So we're going to be grilling these off until they're nice and charred on both sides, and they're going to take approximately 8 to 10 minutes depending on how thick you make them. So only flip them once you see they have those nice grill marks. And those grill marks are going to add so much flavor, because charcoal, hardwood charcoal, does add tons of flavor to your food. With this recipe, guys, you can use beef, you can use shrimp, you can use turkey. Feel free to switch it up and use whatever you would like. Look how amazing they look. I can see all of the seasonings peeking through, and that seasoning blend that we made adds so much flavor. So I'm topping some of the burgers with cheese. You don't have to, and I'm using a pepper jack cheese. And the heat from the burgers, once it comes off, it's going to melt it to a really nice soft consistency. And once it's done, you just set it aside. Look how amazing that looks. You don't have to put cheese on all of them. If you wanted to omit the cheese, of course you can. And now all you have to do is go ahead and build your burgers. So I'm using a whole wheat bun today. Put on lettuce first, then I'm going on with one of the burger patties. On goes tomatoes. I'm making a double decker, so another burger patty, and then just top it off with your bread. You can add condiments if you like, and that's it. Your burger is ready. This was so juicy, so delicious, packed with tons of flavor, and I can't wait for you all to try it. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Do remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.